Today's our recipe is a very easy, delicious cream cheesecake. Here you can see the ingredients we need for this cake. As usual, our first step is to combine flour, baking powder, baking soda and salt together. Then in a big bowl, beat butter until it becomes soft. After that, add cream cheese into the same bowl and beat with butter until smooth. Then we need to gradually add sugar and beat under medium speed. It needs to beat this around 5 to 7 minutes until this becomes super soft and pale in color. Then we can add vanilla and lemon zest. Anyway, adding lemon zest for this cake is optional. If you want, you can add some as per your taste. Our next step is to add eggs one at a time. Once eggs are well combined with the batter, gradually add prepared dry ingredients. Finally, transfer the batter into an 8-inch size round baking tray and bake the cake around 35 to 40 minutes under 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven. Now we are going to make our cream cheese glaze. For that, beat cream cheese in a bowl until it becomes super soft. Then add icing sugar. Finally, add some vanilla and whipping cream. When the baked cake is completely cooled down, we can get it out of the baking tray. Finally, what you need to do is spread the cream cheese glaze all over the cake as you like and decorate it. Hope you will try this delicious cake soon. See you soon with another delicious recipe.